Hello everyone, today we have Kalyan with us, who is a senior data engineer at Philips and has mentored hundreds of working professionals across data engineering, data analytics and product analytics. Now here's something very interesting. Most professionals spend years learning Python, SQL, cloud tools and data technologies but still struggle to create real impact in their careers. Because according to Kalyan, the gap isn't always technical, it's understanding how your work connects to business outcomes. So, in this conversation, we discuss the mindset of high impact data professionals, the importance of strong fundamentals, common mistakes professionals make while upskilling, and what it really takes to grow in today's data industry. So, come, let's get into it. Kalyan, can we start with your introduction, please?
I am Kalyan, as you already know. I have around 6 years experience into data engineering. So throughout my career from 2020, right after my graduation, I've been working as a data engineer. Currently, I'm working as a senior data engineer at Philips company, as a healthcare leading company in India. So there I work as a data engineer who designs and develops, implements all the backend pipelines for a new product that we are building. I think just 1 year, like last year, June is the time I started mentoring on Bosscoder. So it's been, I think, around 200 people that I have been mentoring currently, like from throughout my tenure here from past 1 year. So I have interacted with more than 200 to 50 people. Actual mentorship and the goal setting sessions as well. So both together.
How should one select a mentor?
So like selecting a mentor is it's more like maybe look into their profile, see how much they're working on, what are their experiences, and how many people they have mentored on Bosscode and what their rating and all. So based on that, you can select, and then you can openly discuss with the mentor about all the things like what all you are learning, what you are lagging already, or what you are already very good at.
So, any particular strategy that you would like to share with our viewers on how to become a better data engineer or how to upskill in data engineering?
What suggestion I can give or the hack is first get that interest about data engineering, understand about the domain, which is very important, and then start working on what all things is required and what is already there with you. Like few people will be already knowing about the technical skills or some portion of the technical skill and all. So just brush up your fundamentals which you already know, then start working on the intermediate concept. And parallelly, like I mentioned, try to understand about the business as well. When you start looking into the business, when you're learning technical skills, there itself half of your work gets combined, and you'll get that mindset later. After, when you start working and all, you will have that same mindset where you try to understand, okay, this is how the business operates and this is how it actually works and all. And from a technical person, how you have to work, how best you can do, so that the optimized solution that you are bringing gonna help the business and all. So technically, yes, you have to put a lot of efforts, understand the technical concepts, become very strong in the fundamentals, and then go for the advanced concepts and all. Practice is what very, very much important when it comes to the technical skills, because there, when you practice more number of questions, more number of concepts, then only you'll understand. And this kind of understanding is very different from person to person, because not everyone can get concepts very quickly like other people. Maybe few people get it very quickly, few people need some time, few people need more time. It depends on the grasping power that you are trying to understand. Maybe initially it might take time for you to adapt to this process, the process of learning data engineering and moving to data engineering. But when you start enjoying that, when you start putting more efforts and doing that, later when you get into that level of habituation, level of understanding about the domain and all, remaining things will fall in place, because you are putting more efforts, you are into that zone of practicing on a regular basis and all, which is going to help you.
So that was the session with Kalyan. I think one of the biggest takeaways from this conversation is that career growth in data isn't just about learning more tools, it's about building strong fundamentals, understanding the business behind the data, and continuously adapting as the industry evolves. The professionals who stand out aren't always the ones who know the most technologies. They are the ones who know how to create the most impact. So, I'd love to know, what was your biggest takeaway from this session? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like to watch more conversation with industry mentors and experts, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.